mathata hela e ka master's degree monna tlololo gompieno ana mo eme wa matlhoma betse ge gana go goroga
Tusi! Kakupa! It's my ex. Please pretend to be my girlfriend.
Nah.
Yes.
A scapegoat. No, Papa, I can't.
Please. Libby won't let me go.
Libby? Huh?
She won't let me go. No.
Go biwa ka nna ka sebele. Mosadi wa monna yo.
Ha le gore ke monna ga go tshabeng.
Hey, ngwanyana. Ha o sa ise go ka hapana le nna.
O ka nna bua ka disesa go tlhola mo tsone di measurements.
Suta.
Distance again. Yo, distance. Distance.
Setšhaba se lalediwa bo kopanelo jwa baratani ga o na le kgatlhego ya go atolosa lelapa la gago e ikgokele ga Sunrise Restaurant mo mosong ka nako ya borroba bongwe mokapelo o tlabo a go letile
Shopping your distance, Chalatra Gagia distance, that's why Shumaga distance. Umema distance, Babeva distance, Abamboniga distance.
Dumela Tim. Hore ba go bitsa mang Lala?
Katso.
Oh, Katso. Oh, right, Katso. Yes, Katso. Now my name is Silicone. Silicone rubrics Protagonist Jabulani Ncube. Yeah, that's my full name. I'm from Zimbabwe. Then I Bakadula go first town. Then I get relocated to Karabo. Then I got a parent of businesses. I'm a tractor operator. I plow for people.
Makakatso Piloyami. Where did you buy your hair?
Why I can't seem to avoid you in a terrible son.
The only way to teach me is to love me.
So love to is a joke.
How many calves?
What?
Or is it chickens? How many chickens or cows or both to marry you?
Koko! I need a husband, not a clown.
I'm a Lala Nyalane Nako. Good God.
How kaki? Kar how kaki? Gotlhelele. Hey!
It's charity! It's charity!
Or tutu. How kaki?
Always I wonder how I fell for you, pineapple head.
And you literally fell. What?
Satan.
Baby, I've been thinking about you.